So, how to get Grammarly Premium free in 2021? Grammarly Premium will be one of your best friends in your writing journey as it helps improve your writing style. However, you might be worried about the cost of the premium accounts. Don't worry because there are some things you can do to get a Grammarly Premium free. Please know that although the tasks are easy, some take time, but they will not waste time. If you will, uh, you know, carefully read this page and follow the details, you can have your premium Grammarly account in minutes. Why get free Grammarly premiums? Grammarly is a free extension that you can add to your browser to check your spelling and grammar as you type your messages on your social media or compose your articles. Indeed, it can help your writing skills. On the other hand, Grammarly Premium has a monthly subscription of $29.95 per month. There is also a quarterly plan which could save you about $10 monthly, while the annual plan is effective charge charges you just $11.66 per month. However, we recommend everyone following this guide to go for the monthly plan. So, indeed, not everyone can afford the Grammarly premium subscription fees, no matter how cheap it is. So, here you will get how to get this writing assistant software without paying anything. We will only be sharing the legal methods with you. Many people have already used these methods to get a Grammarly premium account for free. So, all of these methods are tried and tested. You may have to understand that an online writing service as good as Grammarly is worth your money. It's true, especially if you will be using this to improve your workspace and productively efficiently. Why use Grammarly Premium's free trial? There are many tools similar to Grammarly out there. Of course, before you dive into paying for Grammarly Premium, it's the best if you could experience first what it has to offer. The best way to do is to get the Grammarly Premium free trial. However, Grammarly does not offer a free trial for individual users. Still, they do have a free version that includes essential Grammarly functionality. Grammarly believes that this is a more effective way to familiarize users with Grammarly rather than a free trial. However, if you upgrade to Grammarly premiums, then the complete suite of services become available to you. You then have access to free Grammarly premium for 30 days. So, how to get Grammarly premiums for free? How with its cost, no, not all of us can avail of the premium version. Fortunately, there are different ways to get free Grammarly premiums. Don't worry, we will provide you with safe and legal methods to avoid any repercussions of any legal means. This procedure is the easiest way, but it does not give you an instant Grammarly premium account. Nevertheless, you will still have access to free Grammarly premiums for 30 days. Visit a Grammarly website and sign up for account if you have an existing one using your email address. Click on Get Grammarly Premium, then choose what Grammarly plan you prefer to have. And then provide your payment methods. Don't be surprised that you still have to pay for this, although it can be refunded later. Follow the succeeding instructions on screen. You can now use Grammarly Premium. Before your free trial ends, contact their support team and ask for a refund. If you want to extend the 1 month free Grammarly Premium, you have to follow these steps. But first, you will need to get free 30 days access to the Grammarly premium plan. Of course, if things don't work well with the Grammarly, Lingvix always has your back. For much cheaper price, it can get the job even done better. Affiliate program. To get free Grammarly premium, you need to apply for an affiliate account. This method is much better than just going for a premium Grammarly account. It can also be source of income. You see, if you become a Grammarly affiliate, you will be rewarded instantly with a $25 bonus. And when people sign up for Grammarly using your banner, you get some money as well. Those who sign up for free Grammarly account will get $0.20 as a reward. For those who go for a Grammarly premium account, you will get $20. Go to the site of Grammarly and sign up for account. After that, enter your website details and payment method, direct bank transfer or check. Patiently wait for about 1 to 2 business days for Grammarly to verify and approve your account. You will then receive a confirmation email. Once received, log in using your account. Now choose a branding or banner for from over 120 templates on the site. Download the one that you picked. Finally, upload this on your blog together with an affiliate link. To get the $25 instant bonus, you need to reply to this confirmation sent to your email address. So, if you are a good marketer, this could be your next gig, and you could earn big time from your free Grammarly premium account in the long run. Now, if that sounds great, interesting for you, use this link to get started.